I'm Shane Collins, president of Robert Collins Company. We're under contract with the town of Edisto Beach in the South Carolina Department of Transportation to clean up all this debris and help clean up after Hurricane Matthew.
I'm Clay Collins. I'm running the screener operation. We've been doing this kind of work since 1989. We've done this in Florida, North Carolina, South Carolina. We've done beach renourishment and hurricane cleanup, Andrew, Floyd, Hugo.
And what we're currently doing is taking all the sand that has been blown into the highway right away and bringing it down here to our stockpile area, where we're screening it and getting any construction debris out of it, and taking the recycled material and hauling it back down to beach access points and putting it back on the beach and constructing a approximately 5 miles long, 6 foot high, 20 foot wide emergency berm to save these houses that did survive the hurricane, save them from any more damage.
The big savings to the town. We're screening sand for a fraction of the cost of importing new sand, and cleaning up at the same time, cutting down landfill costs, because all that's hauled to a landfill, a debris site, is actual debris, not the sand. For instance, in our area, it's almost impossible to find beach-compatible sand inland. It has to be dredged in. Very expensive, $15, $20 a cubic yard. We're doing this for a fraction of that.
I'm Al Steele, project manager. What we have on our left right here is the dirt filled with the debris from the residents that were hurt by Hurricane Matthew. Behind us, it'll be loaded into this hopper where the clean sand will come out to the left to be put back in the berm, and the debris and trash will go out the front. What you're seeing now is Palmetto Boulevard, and for anyone who saw the original pictures, we've come quite a long way since Tuesday. We've worked between 80 and 100 hours with our crews working tirelessly into the night. You're seeing the equipment that we have here. We have close to 25 pieces of heavy equipment out here, and we're looking to be finished in the next 4 days.
This job has a very intense schedule. They want it done immediately. It's definitely an emergency situation. When we first started this project on Tuesday at high tide, there was water coming all the way onto the boulevard here, and we had to build an emergency berm to stop that from happening.
As you can see, the residents' yards are cleaned out primarily. They were stacked some places close to 8 and 10 feet high with debris. We've had 6 skid steers working on those yards, and the loader's bringing it to the street since Tuesday.
When we first started this project, all these houses were completely impassable. It was impossible for these residents to get to their houses, and we worked as hard as we could to try to help them restore what we could.
By Friday afternoon, most of the residents were able to come see their damage and make arrangements with their insurance adjusters to go forward with what they're going to do to reconstruct their homes.